Sheru Classic. The latest guys who got the pro. It's still like a proud feeling for all of them. Or I myself was busy. We had a show here in Dubai, so I'm sure you
So
must have
guys,
heard or
yeah,
seen
so
about it.
guys, there's somebody भैया was
Yeah,
coaching, एक बंदे को कोच कर रहे थे जिन्होंने जिनकी प्लेसिंग बहुत अच्छी लगी. So भैया can go in detail about that कि who the
it
guy
was
is.
it was his first show. It was his first show is at a very young age. He's only 19. So he competed in junior men's physique, and his first show got the second place, silver medal, and the championship name was it was Gulf Classic,
Wow,
open to all international athletes. So
wow,
placed in the top six, and then eventually made it to the second place. It was
wow,
lovely. It
awesome.
was
So
lovely training that guy.
I think हमें quickly share करना चाहिए screen and we should like probably show people who this guy is actually. So I'll just quickly share my screen. भैया you have इनकी ID है आपके पास? Um,
It should be A double P
A double P. Yeah, this guy.
U. Yeah,
Apu
yeah, yeah.
Raz
The one.
X.
Yes, yes. Afraz is actually his name. Yeah. So this is
Okay.
the pics from his show.
Wow.
So yeah, that's exactly that's
Okay.
me training him right there.
भैया कहाँ पे
Yeah,
this guy's
yeah,
photography skills are awesome man. I like this guy's photographs. ये कहाँ का
yeah.
है? ये कहाँ का है?
He's completely new. He's from South India. He's from Kerala.
Oh
He's
wow.
got good genetics. He's tall. He's 180. His height is 180,
Oh wow.
and that was him on the stage
Okay.
for the second place.
Wow, he has a
Yeah,
nice physique man. He has good genetics like
he
अच्छी
has good
insertions,
genetics.
muscle
Yeah.
insertions and that stuff. It's good. You
So
can tell
I was
he's
on
pretty new.
him.
Yeah.
Yeah, for we were there like we did a prep for almost for 10 weeks. It was not enough time, but we had 10 weeks till the date, and we somehow managed to get him to that position. Was a good time, and now he says that he doesn't want to stop. So
That's pretty much anybody who gets on stage.
that's yeah, yeah. That's
And
that's how it is.
the
Even
thing,
my first show, I remember it was like
yeah.
I couldn't place anywhere.
Oh God.
So it's just about spreading the knowledge and लड़कों को आगे लेना. So
करेक्ट करेक्ट
किसी को अगर मदद मिलती है तो अच्छा है.
करेक्ट है जी. और मेरी मुझे
Yeah,
ये
this
चीज़ मैंने
is
नोटिस
it's
की कि द गाइज हु आर ऑन स्टेज विथ हिम दे कैन विजुअली से दैट दे आर मच ओल्डर टू हिम लाइक यू नो
oh
लाइक
yeah, 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 yeah,
सो
yeah, yeah.
लाइक
He was the only one who was competing the first time. इसका
ओ
पहला शो सिर्फ ये एक लड़का था जिसका पहला शो था.
ओ
बाकी ऑलरेडी
भाई
खेल चुके हैं कई सारे शोज.
अरे वाह यार. ओके सो भैया लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर ओनली. इसी से स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं
And
पहले.
we've seen a lot of projects that I've been
होली शिट
minting and that
जस्ट
are
अ
selling.
सेकंड. सॉरी सॉरी फॉर दैट. तो let's start by just dissecting this guy first, okay? So this is his side shot, like the main mandatory.
That's the difference there.
Okay, so that's awesome. So let's just
Okay.
yeah, what's his name?
Afraz.
Afroz. We have new people in the making. ठीक है. So अफराज भाई का मैंडेटरी क्वार्टर टर्न पोज हम लोग डाइसेक्ट करेंगे थोड़ा सा. भैया प्लस पॉइंट्स, व्हाट आर द मेन प्लस पॉइंट्स हियर, व्हाट आर द हाइलाइट्स हियर.
प्लस पॉइंट्स एक्चुअली ये पिक्चर में क्लियरली दिख नहीं रहा बट जब आप सामने से देखते हो सो यू द
या
ओब्लिक्स है मेन पॉइंट है. ठीक है.
ओके.
उसके बाद जो कॉन्फिडेंस है आपका स्टेज पे
या या
वो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है. देखिए आप देखो आप स्टेज पे जाते हो ऐसे कई सारे एथलीट्स हैं जो आपसे बेटर कंडीशनिंग लेके आते हैं, आपसे बेटर पैकेज लेके आते हैं,
या
लेकिन स्टेज पे वो कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं होते.
या
तो स्टेज पे कॉन्फिडेंट होना इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
या
तो वो बहुत मैटर करता है. कई बार मेरे साथ भी ऐसे शोज हुए कि गाइस हु आर बेटर देन मी. आई
ओके.
न्यू दैट एंड बट दे कुडंट परफॉर्म और स्टेज पे कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं दिखा पाए, जो कि जजेस उसको नेगेटिव मार्क करते हैं.
Right, like I can
तो
see his confidence on his face when he's walking. Like this
यस
front shot when he's
यस
walking, you can see that. Um,
यस
so
बिल्कुल.
okay, so physique wise, आपको main इसकी obliques लगते हैं. What are the other main points in his physique that are
इसका कोर बहुत सही
core?
है.
अच्छा है.
हिज
Yeah, he has a
हिज
good
कोर
core.
इज नाइस बिल्कुल.
Yeah.
हाँ. तो बस बेसिकली एक सिमेट्री होनी चाहिए
Yeah,
फ्रंट पोज में भी। अगर फ्रंट चेक करते हैं, सो द सिमेट्री इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट।
yeah,
और फिर यही है कि लीन कितने आप, ये एलीट प्रो में वो ज्यादा मैटर करता है।
yeah,
आप
yeah,
कितने लीन हो, कितने शेडेड हो।
yeah,
और फिर बाकी तो हम जजेस पे छोड़ देते हैं, दे हैव देयर
yeah,
ओन जजमेंटल पॉइंट्स।
yeah.
वॉक से लेके
I,
आपकी स्माइल से लेके
yeah.
हर एक चीज वो नोटिस करते हैं।
Right. I also think
तो
another plus point in his physique, as per me, जो like I'm not that into like competitive bodybuilding because I'm still, you know, कोई plans नहीं है मेरे, but like you know I'm still on my way there. But I feel like he has a good chest. Um, he has a decent,
जी
nice chest, and when it comes to shoulders, like uh, because obviously there is the breadth, the you can see that he is wide, you know, so as compared to his waist, which is phenomenal. Like if I take this ये जो back shot है, जो front shot भी देख सकते हैं हम, like you can visually see that his shoulders, like the side, the breadth of his shoulders is like almost twice than that of his waist. So that's one of the things I like, that the breadth of his shoulders. Other than that, he's pretty decent. Like let's talk about some of the what's the plus point in his back. What do you think in his back? I feel like he has a good back.
he has a good back. He has a good tapper in his back,
Yeah,
and then it's quite muscular as well.
yeah.
And see, this is the problem with the elite. Like why I don't like it personally, because
Hmm.
you see the pose.
Hmm.
In that pose, you have to keep one, एक टांग आपको पीछे करनी पड़ती है।
Oh,
जो हमारा प्रो लीग है उसमें आपकी दोनों टांगे साथ रहती हैं, और आपके हाथ आप दोनों खोल सकते हो। इसमें
yeah.
अगर आप
Peach.
दोनों हाथ खोल के पोज करो
Yeah.
तो आपका नेगेटिव मार्किंग होती है।
Oh.
अगर आपने इसका एक टांग पीछे नहीं है तो उसकी नेगेटिव मार्किंग होती है।
Oh God.
सो इनकी पोजिंग थोड़ी ज्यादा, उसमें रिस्ट्रिक्शन ज्यादा है
Stringent.
अपने प्रो लीग के कंपेयर। जी जी जी
अच्छा.
बिल्कुल। तो
Okay.
जैसे इसने एक हाथ अभी रखा हुआ है वेस्ट पे,
Yeah.
तो आप प्रो लीग में जाओ, यू कैन कीप बोथ योर हैंड्स ओपन।
So basically, this is
और
restricting him to like fully, completely open his back, right?
एग्जैक्टली
Okay,
एग्जैक्टली टू
okay.
सम एक्सटेंट, टू सम एक्सटेंट, बट इवेंचुअली आप पोजिंग ऐसे ही प्रैक्टिस करते हो तो
Yeah.
फिर ये आदत हो जाती है, एंड देन यू फ्लेक्स योर मसल्स अकॉर्डिंगली। आप
According to
मसल्स
that.
को वैसे ही फ्लेक्स करते हो।
Yeah, yeah,
जी जी
yeah.
बिल्कुल।
So I can imagine एक ये जो मुझे visually लग रहा है from an artist point of view, when you keep your leg back, from a side you can see that your legs are apart, but from front, from back, you can't see that his legs are wide apart. So उससे एक चीज़ क्या
या
अटैक होती है कि उससे वो जो X frame होता है ना, it becomes more of a Y
जी
frame
जी जी
for somebody who is behind. तो वो visually
बिल्कुल।
वाई फ्रेम थोड़ा एक्स फ्रेम से कम ब्यूटीफुल लगता है. सो आई कैन सी देर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ
जी
पोटेंशियल
जी
फॉर हिम इफ़ ही कम्पीट्स इन IFBB ऑब्वियसली, कि वो थोड़ा एक्स फ्रेम दिखा पाए अपना. सो other than
जी।
that, भैया, let's dive quickly into some points that he has to work more on. What are the points that he has to work more on? Obviously आप उसके
आई फील
कोच
ही
हो.
इज वीक ऑन हिज काफ्स।
Okay,
इसके काफ्स वीक हैं
okay,
as compared to the other athletes and to his
yeah,
own height and stuff. काफी
yeah.
लंबा है, he's 180, so
Oh,
180 is good, is quite tall.
yeah, I can see that. Yeah, it's quite tall.
And then I mean he's good. He's good at this
Okay,
age. I don't want any more, to be honest, any more changes in him.
yeah,
But he's coming up slowly with a bigger size. I step into pro league में जाए,
yeah,
pro
yeah.
league में compete करे, और
That's
क्योंकि प्रो
awesome.
लीग का मुझे लगता है कि हाँ उसका जो इज अ बेटर कैरियर या
Yeah,
बेटर फ्यूचर इन द प्रो लीग।
yeah.
और वो ज्यादा कैसे कि इट्स मोर एक्रेडिटेड,
Right,
उसकी
right,
एक्रेडिशन ज्यादा है प्रो लीग की।
right.
और इवेंचुअली द रोड इज टू ओलंपिया। ओलंपिया जो
Yeah,
अभी तक का सबसे बड़ा शो माना जाता है
sure.
आफ्टर अर्नोल्ड क्लासिक।
Yeah.
तो
So,
दैट्स द मेन टारगेट।
so yeah, so
तो
basic,
स्लो एंड स्टडी,
yeah.
साइज पे वहाँ काम करेंगे हम आहिस्ता आहिस्ता।
This guy is
बट
phenomenal.
कीपिंग
Like,
इन माइंड,
yeah,
ये हाँ, at
he's
19
phenomenal.
years of age,
Dude, this is
this is good.
crazy. The only thing I would say, like, because there is always room for improvement, no matter how good you are, you know, like,
Always,
from,
always,
from,
always.
yeah. So from an artist point of view, for a visual, from a visual appeal point of view, I feel like he can work a little more on his roundness of his shoulder. Like he has pretty big shoulders, but I feel he has pretty big, you know, upper caps on his shoulder, like that's, you can see that's really round. But because he has long arms, like I have long arms, we definitely need more mass to fill out our frames, जो हम बोलते हैं ना, frame fill out करना. So that's one of the things that, as
Say,
compared to the roundness in his back, I see, and that obviously his calves. So I feel like he has decent arms, like biceps, triceps, like no need for more size on them as of now. But I feel like he could use a little more bubbliness on his, like some a little mass around here. That
true.
would make the, you know, front, back, everything look like.
Yeah.
Yeah, other than that, he's like perfect. So congrats, coach Said Hamdani. आपने
Thank you.
आपके athlete को, you know, and this is the
अरे
thing I
बस.
like about भैया, you know, that taking up people who are just up and coming, up and coming. बहुत सारे coaches हम देखते हैं IFBB में, they have seen myself these incidents happening, and because I'm in contact with Olympian level athletes, you know, मैंने स्टोरी सुनी है कि आधे कोचेस दे डोंट इवन टेक अप न्यू पोटेंशियल अनलेस एंड अंटिल इट इज़ क्रेजी 99.9% इलीट जेनेटिक्स पोटेंशियल अगर उन्होंने यंग एथलीट्स में लिखा, वो उनको अपने अंडर लेते नहीं, बिकॉज दे ओनली वांट टू ट्रेन सीजनड एथलीट्स ऑन ऑलरेडी सीजनड एथलीट्स जो ऑलरेडी ओलंपिया गए हैं या जो ऑलरेडी प्रो शो जीते हैं,
सही.
यू नो. बट वॉट आई सी विथ यू, यू नो, कि लाइक ये चीज़ हमें ज़्यादा चाहिए देसी हमारी कम्युनिटी में, कि लाइक, यू नो, लाइक अप एंड कमिंग टैलेंट को लाइक उठाया जाए, जो कि बहुत सारे कोचेस कर रहे हैं बिहाइंड द सीन्स और उनके पास भी एक्सपोजर नहीं है. सो आप लोग देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे, इट्स अ वीडियो ऑफ भैया ट्रेनिंग अफराज. सो या, सो यू कैन से दैट वो मेहनत कर रहा है
Yeah.
बहुत. दैट बैक लुक्स क्रेजी अंडर दैट लाइटिंग, यू नो.
Yeah. There was just a small clip he made that day and put it on his page.
Yeah, this guy has crazy video and photo skills, so उस हिसाब से
Yeah.
I'm feel like he looks crazy too, like he's good at modeling and stuff like that. So would definitely suggest for him to post more of his, like, you know, mandatory poses, like without any like editing and stuff,
Yes.
because
Yes.
that's
He is
what.
actually yet to receive the pics from the show day.
Okay,
अभी
okay,
pics आई नहीं है show day से, so once
okay,
they are out there and then
awesome.
hopefully we'll post them.
So let me give him a follow from this account also. So Afraz bhai, all the best for your future, and it was a pleasure looking at your physique.